Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can make a song in your Spotify app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we will simply just now dive into our video. So here in Spotify, to make a song, apparently you can upload your songs in your Spotify app. So to do that, you will simply just go to your Spotify, tap on the settings option over here, swipe down and find this option called local files, right? If it's disabled, simply enable this option. Then you will simply go back and tap on this library option. Here you can see the local files over here. Simply tap on it. Here you can see these are all of these songs and audios imported from my local file of my mobile phone. So here you can simply upload your songs in your Spotify easily. But if you want to upload your songs as an artist, you can make songs and upload in Spotify, have listeners. Then what you have to do is you will have to get a artist Spotify app. You can see this artist Spotify for artist. You will have to get this app. Here you will simply do all the process. You can simply log in if you have an account. If you do not, then you can simply create an account. And regarding this, we have already made a video and uploaded in our YouTube channel. You can simply go check it out, how to create a artist account in your Spotify. And that's how you can create a Spotify artist account, and you can upload your original songs that you made to your Spotify. So yeah, this is how you can make your songs available in your Spotify app. And yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.